Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. Would help if I had the head of my stick blender. That would be great. Need Simon to do this. This is the second of our Spring Solstice soaps, and this I said last week when we made You Make My Dreams Come True that all of the Spring Solstice soaps are named after or inspired by Daryl Hall and Hall Oates songs. This happens to be my favorite of their entire discography. This soap is inspired by the song One on One. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is my Hathor recipe. So in our lye water, we have distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. And this scent that I use is perfect, in my opinion, for this song. It's called Floral Musk, and it's got this sensual kind of undertone to it. I'll leave the fragrance notes in the description box below like I usually do. Alright, so we're going to get this to just about emulsification, and then we'll add our yogurt. Okay, let's add our yogurt, which I left out on the counter, guys. Gotta love it. I'm getting much better at leaving my yogurt out on the counter. Okay, let's get this all mixed in, and then we'll go over the colors. Okay, I gotta get a piece of paper towel. I got oil down the back of my bucket there. Okay. Alright, so this is, if you watched the last week in January, I made some flowers with the Russian piping tip, and they were the colors of Johnny Jump Ups. So they are purple, white, and yellow. So my accent colors are going to be purple and white. And then the main batter is going to be the yellow. I do need to get just a little bit in this cup. This is lily pad green. I'm going to need to pipe some leaves around my flowers. So let me get this batter down here. Alright, and stir these guys. And this is amethyst purple. And the yellow we're using is baby duck yellow. Oh, I've gotta use my frother for this. And for this, this is my favorite color, the lily pad green, to use for leaves. And I think I said it last week, is my favorite green that I own. It's such a great color. I'm going to dump this in its piping bag. I just have a little teeny piping bag because that's all I needed. Okay. So that way it can start to set up. Alright, let's mix this yellow, and then we'll get to pouring. Alright. I love this color combination together. I love the purple, yellow, and white. I mean, purple and yellow are contrasting colors anyway. They're opposite of each other on the color wheel, so they always look good together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. Look at that beautiful yellow. That is a beautiful. Okay. Get Simon scraped off. And if I remember correctly, this fragrance does not rice. I didn't look in my batch book for my notes to see, but I'm going to go ahead and just put it in the main batch, just in case it does. Yeah, I didn't think it did. You can always usually tell right off the bat whether or not it does. I do remember that it does accelerate trace a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. I mean, it does hit, it's floral, so we will get to pouring. Let me get some of this stuff out of my way so I can bring you guys in closer. Alright, let's pour the yellow first. And I'll be using my hanger tool to swirl this. And my purple. Ugh. But we have to be careful with the hanger tool with these contrasting colors because we don't want it to turn brown. Because that's what can happen. Alright, the white. And I'm going to put all the white in right now. I'm trying not to scrape it to death for you guys. Okay. Some more yellow. And a little bit more purple. Not gonna need to, and I need samples of this. That's why I made extra. Ooh, that is right up to the top, guys. Let me get my sample mold here. We gotta move stuff around here. Ooh, right up to the top. And pour these samples really quick. I guess I can do this off camera. So we'll be back to put our flowers on top. Okay, it's time to put the flowers on that we made the other day. I'm going to alcohol this again, and I'm also going to alcohol these flowers. And I'm going to pick, whoop, that went upside down. I'm going to try to get them, the ones that are the prettiest here. Some of them are missing petals, but that's okay because I'm going to put greenery there, and some of them I'm going to have to cut in half, which is also fine. That way we have enough room for everyone. Let me get some of these lighter ones with the lighter yellow in it. I hope my head isn't in your way. Let me put this one over here. Let me grab a knife so I can cut some of these in half so we can put them along the edges. There we go. This one isn't that pretty, so we will cut this one in half too. Put that right there. I love this song. I so love this song. I'm wondering if you guys can figure out what my second favorite Hall Oates song is. Take a guess. Soap is coming up next week, so you'll be able to see if you were right or not. And I have to say, Daryl Hall has got the best rhythm and blues slash R&B voice and pop music history, in my opinion. He definitely wasn't your average, you know, soft rock slash pop, pop, you know, voice. He had such a great set of pipes, or has still, actually. I'll tell you a little bit about something that I find absolutely fantastic about him when we cut this soap. Let's get this there and this there. Need one more small piece. Oop, right here. And these flowers I'll bag up, and oh wait, I need another half. I'll bag them up, and I will keep these in for, you know, next year when I do this soap. So, all right, let me check on my leaves and see if that piping is ready. Hold on. Okay. 2 hours and 15 minutes later, we have leaves. Sort of. I'm just going with what I got because I am ready to relax in my chair and be done with it. Yeah, it's not too bad, but my hand is hot, so it's getting more liquidy the more I'm piping. You know, that's the thing about my Hathor recipe, is it is about 55% soft oils as opposed to my Isis recipe, which is 65% hard oils. And let me turn this around here so I can get on this other side and you guys still be able to see. So sometimes it's a bit of a pain in the butt when I'm doing stuff like this with leaves, or, you know, waiting for flowers to set up, because there's another soap in our Spring Solstice line that has flowers on top of it. Oh! Oh my goodness. See, like I said, my hand is hot. Been running a little bit of a fever today. So, let me get one more leaf right there. All right. Okay. So that's what we got, and we will cut this in 18 to 24 hours, and I will see you guys then. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, this is One-on-One, my favorite Hall Oates song. I have to tell you that Daryl Hall has a website. There's my end piece there. He has a website. It's called livefromdarylshouse.com, and he does this thing still. He has like special guests. He's had the OJs on there, CeeLo Green, you know, a whole bunch of people. I think Smokey Robinson was on one of them, and they sing Hall & Oates songs. They sing, you know, the other artists' songs. Oh, I'm so glad that didn't turn brown, guys. Oh, so glad. I was worried with the hanger swirl I did that, because it was a little brown on the top. But anyway, they do Hall & Oates songs. They do whatever artist songs there are. They do some covers. You can actually look up Live at Daryl's House on YouTube as well, and you will come up with videos of them. they're fantastic. He still sounds great. He looks great. I mean, he's much, much older. I mean, he's one of the... Daryl Hall and John Oates are both artists that didn't get big until they were, you know, older. So, but it's a lot of fun to watch those. I watch those all the time. I mean, he hasn't done it recently because of, you know, the whole pandemic thing, but there's a lot of great music on that website. And I love this song. He just has the voice. I mean, his blues R&B voice is the best R&B voice in soft rock / pop music ever. In my opinion. My humble opinion. So, these flowers look really nice on the top. I'll show you really quick. Oh, I like the swirl. So there's the top of it. Hopefully there's not too much shadow. I couldn't see whether or not there was. I only have the one light on. Oop, moving ya. Sorry. They are cutting through pretty good. Yep. I can't wait to see if anybody guesses right what my second favorite Hall Oates song is. I was trying to think of a hint this morning before I came back down here, and I couldn't think of a hint. I don't know. Let's just say it's one of their slowish songs. I mean, it's not like totally slow like One on One is, but it's definitely slower. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get an M piece off of this. One of the bars I cut too big. Am I going to get an M piece? No, I'm not going to get an M piece off of that one. Lost a leaf. Alright guys, thanks as always for watching, and have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.